Good morning. Welcome back to the Bar 46. Looks like we got a new member of the farm. Looks like there's only one. Morning, Mama. Nice to see that baby. Maybe we ought to take a look to see if there is only one. Looks like the hen house could use a little help. Morning, Mama. Only one baby. Morning, girls. Uh-oh. Maybe on the wrong side of the fence. There we go. All right. Never a dull moment. This is the old cabin. And I noticed there was a significant change down here this morning. Kind of caught my attention. Saw a few rocks stacked up against the old chimney and a few more rocks here that shouldn't be there, and then a whole bunch of rocks over there. So kind of looks like the old chimney, the original chimney, has seen better days. We've had some raccoon issues, and I think they've been slowly kind of peeling away at the old chimney, maybe getting down inside there, and so it looks like we got one more project to do. When we remodel the old cabin, I think that'll be the best time to do it. But never boring. Thanks for stopping by the Bar 46. We'll see you next time.